If your refrigerator won't turn on, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. First, examine the control board, but make sure the refrigerator is disconnected from the power source beforehand. Locate the electric control board and inspect it carefully for any burnt or damaged connections. If you find any damage, replacing the control board may be necessary. Another potential problem could be a faulty cold control, which is a temperature switch that regulates the temperature in the fridge. To test the cold control, use a multimeter to check for continuity, and then try adjusting it to a cooler setting. If the cold control is damaged, replacement will be required. Additionally, check the power supply by ensuring the refrigerator is properly plugged in and that the power cord is not damaged. Verify that the power outlet is functioning correctly as well. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and possibly fix the issue with your refrigerator, making the repair process relatively straightforward.